Nooresh, so what's the chartbuster idea you have right now?
So that's a chart for Bosch Limited, been an underperformer in the auto space. Finally, the stock has given a breakout into highs above the 2018 high, so a 5-6 year breakout. And around that area, we made a flag formation for almost a 1,500 point range. And that breakout has taken place. So expecting this to go towards 24,000, 25,000 in the short term. Stop loss at 21,500.
Okay, so Bosch is a chartbuster idea. A lot of people have been talking about it positively, even for the medium to long term. And Nooresh likes it for today as well. But Kunal, what are the other cracker ideas?
So focusing on financials, two names. First one is a buy on RBL Bank. I would recommend that as a buy. Stock trading about 280 levels. So would suggest a target of 300. Stop loss at 270. And Bajaj Finserv is also coming back into a breakout mode above 1700 levels. So would suggest a buy with a target of 1800. Stop loss at 650.
Because it's a mid-cap space where the party is really 0.7% higher. So don't just go by what's happening in the Nifty. Of course, we've talked about how mid-caps and small caps are a bit overheated right now. A lot of the fundamental experts joining us have been talking about caution, but that's not happening in the market, at least for the day-to-day. Solid run across the board. But Nooresh, from the mid-cap and the small cap space, what's the cracker idea?
So first is a buy in LIC Housing Finance, a fresh breakout, new 52-week highs here. Stop loss at 540, target price of 580 plus. Second is a buy on Rights Limited. The stock is trying to make a breakout move, an underperformer in the railway space. Stop loss at 490, target price of 570.
Okay, keeping an eye out on those bets over there from Nooresh as well. Nooresh, thank you so much for joining in with us this morning, as always, on ET Now. But let's pull up and talk about Wonderla Holidays. Yes, we'll be joined by the management as well. But before we do that, let's listen into what Sandeep Sabharwal had to say on Wonderla Holidays and why is it his top pick in terms of the stock of the year for him? What is it making the stock of the year for him? Let's listen in.
I think longer term, I also like the strategy of Wonderla Holidays. The way they are going into new states, they have effectively become the only sort of theme park, credible theme park company in India. They are getting good tax concessions for setting up new parks. The existing parks are growing recently, and an excellent group. So that's one stock which has done well, but I would think that next couple of years it should again create wealth. Now the growth triggers are much more visible. Earlier they were going through their existing parks only, but now they have got good concessions, good deals to set up new parks in 3, 4 new states, and that gives us visibility for growth longer term.